What's up everyone? Welcome back to the channel. Today the Mustang's getting ribbed. This video is going to be how to install a new serpentine belt. I went ahead, picked up the AC Delco V-ribbed belt. I was going to get the Gates belt, but this one was on sale when I went to go order a belt. So I figured, hey, what the heck, I'll get this one that's on sale. Had great reviews. Even better than the Gates. So just trying to do preventive maintenance. As you've seen in the last video, did the 180-degree thermostat. That should help a little bit. Gonna put on a new belt. Car has almost 140,000 miles on it. I don't know when it has had a belt replaced, if it ever has had a belt replaced. So I'm gonna go ahead today and put a new belt on. That way we don't have to worry about it. But I'm gonna put the old belt in my toolbox that I carry to the track and around with me. That way if anything ever does happen, I still have the old belt that I know still does work. To replace your serpentine belt, it's pretty simple. Either if you have a special tool that they use for the tensioner, you can use that. If you don't have that, which the tensioner is right here. There's the pulley for it. The special tool goes in right there. Now if you're like me, you're like, wait, I know what that is. That's a 3/8, man, I'm telling you. Sure enough it is. So just go ahead. Get it put in there. Now if you want, you can either look up a diagram on how this belt goes, take a picture of it. You can sketch it out on a piece of paper if you want. Just know which way this belt's going before you go to take it off. And then all you have to do is push this back, and that'll release the pressure on the belt. And you want to make a mental note of kind of where the belt's placed. You're going to see where it rubs the most at, and you're going to want to keep it on the same location, just so you don't have no problems. My light blew out on me, my light bulb, so I had to put a new one in. It's not as strong, so I hope it's okay. Okay, now with the tensioner pulled out, you're relieving the pressure on the belt. Sometimes it's tricky to get it out and around the pulleys and stuff like that, brackets in the way. Just gotta work it. Go ahead and let that go. I just went ahead and took my digital caliper, and for shits and giggles I wanted to see what the thickness is or was of both belts, the old one versus the new one. The new one, I can't remember what setting it was on, but the new one was 0.189. The old one was 0.17879, somewhere around there. So about 0.010 thinner the old belt was of the new belt. The new belt was thicker. I don't know how much that makes a difference. I also took them both and lined them up to see if the other one was worn out more, but it wasn't. Now on install, you don't have to worry about this tensioner until you're at that point, and then you can go ahead and pull it back to be able to get the rest of the belt on. Okay, it's on there good. All I was doing was double checking to make sure it was still on every pulley in the right position, the right spot. So go ahead, slowly release this. There you go. Everyone seems to be lined up pretty good. Right where it was at before. I'll give you a better view. That bracket right there was a kind of a pain in the butt. There's not that much room. You just gotta slide it in sideways. But all in all, looks pretty good. Everything looks lined up. She's getting there. Another quick, simple video. I always got more and more to do. Just takes time and money. I want to say thank you to everybody that watches all my videos. Like I say every time, it means a lot to me. I greatly appreciate it. If you like this video, or if it was helpful, give it a big thumbs up. If you're new to the channel, or if you haven't already, hit that subscribe button. I really appreciate it. Till next time, peace.